They call it everybody's hometown. But Prescott is more than a name on a map. It's a place where time moves with a softer rhythm. On the historic Whiskey Row, you can still hear echoes of saloons from the 1800s where cowboys and lawmen once crossed paths. But just a few blocks away, something quieter waits. Watson Lake, its granite boulders rising like ancient guardians above blue water. Most visitors never discover the trail that winds between those rocks at sunrise. It feels like walking inside a hidden canyon. Here's a secret. Summer crowds head south, but Prescott's mild four-season climate makes fall the sweetest time to come. Hike the Granite Dells when the air is crisp, and you'll have the paths almost to yourself. In Prescott, history lingers, nature whispers, and the present slows down long enough for you to simply belong.